We don't accept it because, again, the astronomical data that we have, there is a possibility of the moon to be able to be sighted in Malawi and not in South Africa at all. Because, like I've said, the moon has its own axis. It moves, its orbit, it moves and rotates differently. Sometimes the moon is on a higher altitude, meaning that countries higher than South Africa, on an altitude higher than South Africa, might be able to see it and South Africa not. So for that reason, we can't accept sighting that does not fall within the parameters of our sightability. So the data we collect beforehand, if for an example, it is sightable in Malawi, we do not necessarily accept that sighting. Reason being, Malawi, the Crescent Observer Society under the authority of the United Ulama Council has done an investigation with Malawi to understand, can we accept your sighting or not? Surprisingly, the answer from the Malawi ulama was, don't accept our sighting. Reason being, they have no unity within themselves. There is currently in Malawi, in Zimbabwe, in Namibia, Mozambique, there are more than 35 sighting organizations. And none of them agree. None of them agree at all with one another. Last year, as Sheikh has made mention of, last year, the moon had been sighted in Zimbabwe. Here it wasn't accepted. In Zimbabwe, they had Eid on 2 different days. The one group didn't agree with the other. And there was a third group that said both those two are wrong. It is actually supposed to have been already. So there's challenges there on its own. So the research has been done, if it's possible, and there's only within limits that it can be possible, when the limits are acceptable, when it's agreeable, then we can look into it. But even those ulama have said, don't accept here. Yeah, alhamdulillah, within South Africa, there is a great ta'alluq, there is a great cooperation and understanding with ulama. Cape Town, Durban, PE, Johannesburg, Pretoria, all over, where there's a very good understanding in how we present with regards to the sighting of the moon, alhamdulillah.